Start with a light warm-up to prepare your body.
Neck rolls, 15 seconds each direction.
Arm circles, 20 seconds forward, 20 seconds backward.
Bed bends, 20 seconds.
March in place or light jogs, then it is 30 seconds.
Awesome. Feel the blood flow? Let's step it up.
Keep your chest up and go as low as comfortable.
Standing side leg raises until glutacum, great for toning your hips and legs.
Push-ups. Keep your body straight and your core tight.
Hold that plank, tighten your core, and breathe steadily.
Jumping jacks. Boost your heart rate and keep that energy high. Lunges equine. Great for shaping your legs and improving balance. Glute bridge brisking. Lift and squeeze your glutes at the top. Mountain climbers who dive. Fire up your core and burn that fat. You're doing great. Remember, it's only 10 minutes. Keep breathing and stay strong.
Forward bend, Fendi. Stretch your back and hamstrings. Breathe gently.
Shoulder stretch fully, right and left sides. Loosen up those muscles.
Seated butterfly stretch. Relax your inner thighs and let your body unwind. Take a deep breath in and out. Again. Inhale, exhale, feel the calm.
Great job, ladies. You just completed a 10-minute full body workout. Stay hydrated, keep moving every day, and remember